Lakewood, when water wreaks havoc in your home, every second counts, and Belmar Lake Plumbing is your rapid response rescue squad. Our water damage restoration service springs into action the moment you need us, stopping leaks, extracting standing water, and salvaging your property with surgical precision. Imagine burst pipes flooding your basement or hidden leaks soaking your walls. Then picture our certified technicians arriving fast with powerful pumps, industrial-grade drying equipment, and moisture meters that detect damage behind the scenes. We don't just dry and repair, we rebuild strength into your floors, walls, and ceilings, preventing mold, structural decay, and costly future repairs. Our high-energy crew works clean, moves with urgency, and communicates every step so you're always in the loop. We coordinate with insurers, manage every detail, and restore your home to pre-loss condition, or better, faster than you ever thought possible. Don't let water destruction steal your comfort, safety, or peace of mind. For Lakewood residents facing emergencies, big or small, our water damage restoration service is the lifesaver that protects your home's foundation, preserves your investment, and restores normalcy in record time. When disaster strikes, trust the local experts who treat your home like family. Call Belmar Lake Plumbing and experience the power of true restoration, because your home deserves nothing less than complete recovery, and your peace of mind depends on it.